We'll guide you through how to enable picture-in-picture on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and keep watching YouTube when you're out of it. You have it on your home screen and you could open up an app like Safari and go and have it on the screen still and move it around as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. What you need to do is in the YouTube app, you need to come to the bottom right and go and press U. Then what you need to do is you want to come to the top right and go and find the gear or cog icon and tap there. Scroll down into video and audio preferences and you need to go and find playback and tap there. Find the option picture in picture and make sure it's enabled and switched on. Then what we also need to do is come out of here. You need to swipe back and find your settings and tap on them. In here you want to go down and find the option for general. Then you want to go and scroll down and we need to find the option for picture in picture. And we need to make sure this is switched on. Then it says when you swipe up to go home or use other apps, videos and calls will automatically continue in picture. So this will go and apply to other apps as well. So yeah, I've got that enabled already. You want to make sure yours is. Now let's come and return to YouTube. I'll come to the home. Let's go and find a video I want to do this with. You can go and see it's now playing and simply swipe up. As you can see, it now keeps playing and I can go and see the player there. You can go and pinch on it like this to go and resize it and you can go and drag it to a different corner. You can tap on the player and you can go and go back, pause it, go forward. You can go and press that there to make it full screen and you can close it as well. So you go and get the idea. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you with more how-tos like this in the future. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you out. Have a great day and I'll catch you again soon.